Hello everyone, this is Dr. Eric Chow. Dr. Chow, today I'm going to talk about CS24 AP Computer Science A review course that offered by us. The goal of the AP Computer Science A course is to become the first semester coding course in college. But many universities won't teach the computer programming from scratch. They are assuming that you have some background. So therefore, taking AP Computer Science A in high school becomes necessary. So this course is to learn Java coding, object-oriented programming, and the concept of OOP, and also basic algorithms. So our review course, CS24 AP Comp Sci A review course goal is to teach you and review the Java syntax and its applications, object-oriented programming, the concept and the review and using this OOP for programming. Also, for program analysis, including efficiency, testing conditions, and applications. And many part of this course is to memorize basic algorithms and put them into use. So we will teach you exam taking skill in the multiple choice section. We will also help you to read the problems in FRQ problems and teach you the problem solving skills. And a lot of training is needed and also will help you to boost up your speed in exam taking. So AP Computer Science A, including the Java syntax, Java structured programming, Java object-oriented programming, and some basic algorithm. The basic algorithm including array list, 2D array, we call it matrix, also sorting and searching algorithm and recursion. And this is AP Comp Sci A. In the past, we also have AP Computer Science AP course, but right now it already been canceled by the College Board. And this course is necessary if you want to continue to move on to college. So for example, like Berkeley CS61B, you will need the AP Comp Sci AB course background. So like including Java data collections and data structure, including linked list, map and set, stack and queue. And we also, in that course, you will also include the Java introductory algorithm, including complete search, greedy algorithm, ad hoc algorithm, depth first searching, breadth first searching. These are necessary for USACO bronze level competition. And our material, including the past exam problem in FRQ practicing in AP Comp Sci A from College Board. Also balance AP Computer Science A review book, and also be prepared AP Computer Science exam in Java book. We will be using these two books as the material. And this AP Computer Science A course, review course, the class time is February 8th or 15th, depending on your availability, to the end of April. It's roughly 10-11 weeks. And every Saturday, 3 p.m., it will be 2.5 hours to 3 hours. The course delivery will be online using Room. And the audience is any student who take the AP Computer Science A exam, and the tuition is $1,200 for outside student. And the requirement is that you need to finish CS23, 22-23 AP Java course or the equivalent. And here is my contact information. And we have limited spaces, so first come, first serve. Okay, thank you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye now.